name is Kimate Richards, and my co-author is Anton Dorozhko, and we want to present Void2Solid today, which is using Cosmos Reason to effectively teach people about CAD development and how to code. Here's the pipeline. The pipeline contains YouTube videos that are brought in via an ingestion, and we're looking at the various panels using a computer use model to effectively say what the user is doing and reason about when they're doing it. So here you can see Cosmos Reason brings out primitives that that ultimately are used in various capacities, one to train models and also to do some basic CAD exporting. So you can see here the pipeline, state detection, OCR extraction, Cosmos Reason, constraint solver, and OpenSCAD export. What we're doing is using Cosmos Reason to visually detect what is happening when certain things are going on, like we're building this primitive here, so let's watch it. As you can see here, it read the frames of the file, came up with its own pipeline for what happened during the construction of that primitive shape. And Cosmos Reason says exactly what happened. There was a sketch. It clicked on this button here at this particular point to come up with these particular parametric shapes, and can understand faces, extrusions, various common CAD primitives. And there is now our parametric shape, also understood by the Cosmos Reason model. So there's a video ingestion and timeline construction. There is a UI element recognizer. And as we go down here, there is a spatial intelligence being brought in. So let's just watch this last clip. So you can see here as the video, this Autodesk Fusion 360 video is being explained and taught to people. Now we're understanding exactly where are the click locations. What did you actually do? You explained, but understanding where you clicked and why can be used to assist in developers coming up with new functionality, building new tools, learning how to code. It certainly could be an unlock for people in disenfranchised areas to learn basically how to do various modeling techniques. And then abstracted away is the engine that we used, but the actual technique is the most important part of this. So we're seeing now the those techniques. As you can see here, as the user is explaining what's going on, all of this information is being now captured, all the click events, what they've done. Cosmos Reason is explaining in the background, capturing the user's movements, why they've done what they've done, when they've done it. So we do frame extraction, and the key technologies here are Cosmos Reason, OpenSCAD code generation, and a state classifier. So we invite you to enjoy this product. I think it's going to be very useful for kids, also very useful for reclassification, getting some people skilled up in some other areas of technology now that we have GenAI. Thank you for your time. Thanks.